Hi there, and welcome to Bruce's AC Heating and Refrigeration. Are you tired of living in discomfort due to a faulty HVAC system? Look no further than Bruce's for all your HVAC installation needs. We specialize in HVAC installation and provide quality service to Gulfport and the surrounding areas. Our team is highly skilled and experienced in installing top quality systems to ensure your comfort all year round. Don't suffer in the heat or cold any longer. Give us a call at 228-669-6955 and schedule your HVAC installation today. Trust us to keep you comfortable all year round.